We're just covering some of the very basics for people who haven't used an editing program. First of all, you want to be able to go down, you go to File, and then you go to your Import button. There you're going to look for the file that you want. Let's see, we're going to look for this little clip here. It's a Midnight Storm, and you just hit Open. You pull it in. Now it appears in your project box. Now what you want to do is drag it down to the timeline. That's the main two places. Your top left is your project box, and then down at the bottom on your timeline. You're going to use that feature a lot because you've got to import everything that you want to edit. So whether you shoot video by the tape and you import it by the tape, or if you just import it one at a time, little clips like this. And like this is a loop. So here I'm going to drag it, drop and drag. I want to drop and drag it a few times, and it just creates a seamless loop because it was created like that. Now if you notice, it's a little bit jumpy on the preview monitor. It depends on your computer and the settings that you have it on, but notice there's a little red line above the timeline window. This little red line is where it needs to be rendered. So now you don't want to just hit the enter button and render it, or you'll try to render everything. So you